One, this is the question you've been always waiting for. So, how do you distort images in firealpaca? Oh my god, this application here. How do you distort images? It's now. I'll show you how to do it. I found out that you can actually distort an image. So I'll show you how to do it. So you just place it. Place image. No, I'm doing this to my Macintosh. So yeah. All of you guys who used Microsoft Windows, you, alright, never mind. So anyway, we will now copy this image by typing Command C or Control C, and then you do Command V or Control V, then do Command T or Control T, and then you just do I don't know why. Oh wait, you can do that thing. Never mind. Alright, now you can put it right about here, I believe, then click OK. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do this thing. I'm doing this at 4 a.m. and I'm really up right now, and I have school today, so now just gotta type in Command T or Control T. Then we gotta do what we're gonna do. Command T. So what you're gonna do is split the image into two images, and once you're done, then you can and now once you're done, you'll get two distorted photos of the picture you just tooken. And this is the photos I've tooken. Now, the photo I distorted was a photo back in June 26, 2019, which was during my summer break thingy. And a couple of wait, hold on a moment. Oh wait, you see I opened up Number Lemon? Yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys why I'm in Number Lemon. So guess what? I am Supo in Number Lemon, which means that as you can see, I'm actually a Number Lemon character, not a Number Fanagram character, but oh my god, why did I open that? Yeah, I also am a fan of Number Fanagram, and I'm a Utopia fan as well, but I'm not really a fan, but I never played it in a while, so yeah. Oh, and guess what? And, I wanted to become, right here now. I'm now 32, and I have no idea if he did. He said, he told him I say. Oh, this was for almost a week ago. Wow, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I literally did this before the day of school. And by the way, alright. And yes, what was it again? One moment. Now I get it. So, now, this came, before this came, the picture was born, and now I've figured myself out. Anyway, now that you know how to distort images on firealpaca. And by the way, how to put it in an image, just simply pick the one that you love the most, then do Command C and then Command V and then do Command T, or just use this ditty thingy. Anyway, now that you know how to distort images on firealpaca, now everyone will be happy. Everyone will be like, wow, now I could finally distort images on firealpaca. Now there's such thing as the content to aware scale feature in firealpaca. Yay! This video will probably be the most popular firealpaca video on YouTube. Like, so popular that even aliens will watch it. Anyway, thanks for watching this How to Distort video!